Imagine getting monetized ready in just 1 month. You want 1,000 subscribers and you want it fast. But here's the truth. Most small creators post for months and don't even cross 100 because they are doing all the wrong things. I hit 1,000 in just 30 days and I'll show you exactly what I did step by step so you can literally just copy and paste. Alright, here's how I pulled it off. 4 steps, super simple, plus a bonus tip that's low-key the secret sauce. Step 1. Pick a niche that doesn't flop. Your first 1,000 don't come from random videos, it comes from solving one problem consistently. For me, it was finding free apps. Honestly, it was my own problem and I turned it into my own content. Here's the formula. Number 1. Pick a problem people actually Google at 2 a.m. or just pick your own problem. Make a content around that one pain point. Don't overcomplicate, niche down now and branch it out later. Step 2. Make videos people can't watch just once. One video doesn't build a channel, but a set of videos on the same topic, that's bingeable. Think of your channel like a playlist. Viewers should watch one video and immediately want the next. For example, I posted this series. It wasn't random, it was connected, binge-worthy. Content makes your channel feel like Netflix for your niche. Step 3. Thumbnails and titles that slap so hard people have to click. Even if your video is fire, no one clicks if the title and thumbnail are boring. Here's the formula. Outcome plus time plus twist. Example and thumbnails. Keep them simple. 3 to 4 words max, bold text, one strong image. That's it. That's enough. If your viewer can't read it in 1 second on mobile, it won't work. Step 4. Stay consistent so YouTube takes you seriously. The algorithm rewards consistency. I post shorts 6 days a week and try to post at least 2 long-form content weekly. That's how rhythm tells YouTube this channel is active, push it. You don't need to burn out, but you do need to show up. Pick up a realistic schedule and stick to it. Consistency builds a trust with both YouTube and your viewers. And the bonus step, that's the one nobody talks about, but it's what made the difference. Let's break it down. This is the step most people skip. Don't post and ghost. Reply to comments, pin helpful stuff, and actually talk to your viewers. When people feel noticed, they subscribe. And YouTube sees that engagement and boosts your content even more. So there you go, 4 steps to hit 1,000 subscribers in just 30 days, plus a bonus step to grow even faster. If you're serious about hitting 1K, I have put together a free table of YouTube of when to post what. You can check it on the link in description. And hey, if this video helped, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe and comment plan below so I know you're building your channel too.